Ever feel like you're drowning in tasks? Like your to-do list is some kind of evil mastermind plotting against you? Chuckles. You're not alone. But here's the thing. While you're struggling to stay afloat, CEOs and top executives seem to have it all under control. What's their secret? Well, it's not just hard work. It's smart work. And today, I'm going to show you how AI can be your personal productivity superhero. So, grab your coffee and let's dive in. Let's talk about time management. Because let's be honest, most of us are terrible at it. You set goals, make a to-do list, and then, boom, your whole day gets hijacked by meetings, emails, and mysterious distractions. Winks. But here's where AI steps in. Enter AI-powered scheduling tools. Apps like Motion, Reclaim.ai, and Clockwise automatically analyze your workload, prioritize tasks, and arrange your schedule for maximum efficiency. No more playing calendar Tetris. Productivity expert Cal Newport talks a lot about deep work, the ability to focus without distraction. He emphasizes that batching tasks and reducing decision fatigue is key to success. And guess what? AI does that effortlessly. Imagine waking up, opening your calendar, and everything is perfectly scheduled for you. Work blocks, focus time, even lunch breaks. It's like having a personal assistant minus the awkward small talk. Okay, let's address the productivity killer in the room, distractions. Social media, endless notifications, that sudden urge to clean your entire house instead of working. Sound familiar? Enter AI-focused tools. Apps like Rescue Time, Freedom, and Serene monitor your habits and block distractions. They literally force you to stay focused. Neuroscientist Dr. Andrew Huberman explains that our brains work best in 90-minute focus cycles. AI can detect when your productivity is dropping and prompt you to take breaks at the right time so you don't burn out. So, next time you find yourself watching just one more YouTube video, let AI pull you back to reality. It's like having a super strict productivity coach, minus the yelling. Emails, the modern-day Hydra. You clear your inbox, and boom, 3 more appear. But what if I told you AI can manage your emails for you? Tools like Superhuman and SaneBox can prioritize important emails, auto-generate smart replies, and even unsubscribe from spammy newsletters. It's like having an executive assistant, minus the awkward meetings. Productivity guru David Allen, creator of Getting Things Done, GTD, says that processing emails efficiently is key to reducing stress and staying productive. AI helps you focus on what matters instead of drowning in digital noise. So, instead of wasting hours sorting through junk mail, let AI handle the chaos while you sip your coffee like a true CEO. Let's be honest, your to-do list can feel like an endless guilt trip, but with AI, it becomes a powerful productivity tool. Apps like Todoist AI and ClickUp can prioritize tasks based on deadlines, urgency, and even your energy levels. No more decision fatigue, just a perfectly structured plan to tackle your day. According to behavior scientist Dr. B.J. Fogg, the best way to build lasting habits is by making tasks feel effortless. AI does this by breaking down your workload into manageable steps and nudging you when it's time to take action. Narrator. So, next time you feel overwhelmed, don't panic. Let AI remind you what to do without making you feel like a total failure. So, there you have it, your AI-powered productivity toolkit. Whether it's scheduling, deep work, communication, or task management, AI takes the heavy lifting off your shoulders. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite AI productivity tool? Drop a comment below. And if you want more AI-powered hacks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, go out there and conquer your to-do list like the productivity genius you are.